the TikTok Creative Center. This shows examples of top performing ads, what's currently hot on TikTok, and seeking creative guidance. Go into top ads. We've got examples of what's working currently. Now, the good thing about this is even if you are going to start by creating your own ads for your product and you're looking to just use your phone and film your own videos, this is where you can spy for free and see what is currently working for other sellers. Now, there's different filters that you can use here. I'm based in the United Kingdom, so it's automatically filtering by that for me, but I could change the region to the United States or any country where TikTok Shop is available. You can literally just click on the actual video, see how they've put the video together, see what you can copy, what's working, are they showing their face, it's just hands, is it a skit, a short video?
No one agrees.
You've got trends where you'll see different categories, hashtags, songs, creators. You've got creative tools allowing you to jump onto what's currently working for your product. This means you can create a video for that product, drive traffic onto your Shopify and TikTok store. That's the beauty of TikTok. It's social commerce, it's social media. They've got customers built in, plus you can drive those customers back onto your Shopify for the longer term. When it comes to the subject of driving traffic to your store as well, I thought it's worth mentioning because the theme going into 2026 and beyond is going to be using AI, right? And one of the quickest ways you can sort of get to market and get straight in there, test products quickly, fail fast, and kind of move on or find your successful product as quickly as possible is by using AI generated videos. And there's this tool here called arcads.ai. They're not involved in this video or sponsoring it in any way, but it's just one that I've explored in the past and I've had some really, really good results in terms of the end product and how quickly it is to create videos with it. And basically the way Arcads works is you are able to create videos from writing a script. They've got these AI avatars, which are essentially people that will talk on the video based on the script that you've written down. I've actually, a shameless plug, I've got a video here that I've done in the past on YouTube, which actually walks through how to go about doing this, but I'm not going to play that video here, but just to kind of give you a high level idea, this is how it looks in the back end. You've got this script that you've written down. Once you've generated the script, you've got an ability to go ahead and choose an AI avatar from all these different people here. Very, very realistic. And they'll essentially jump in that video and they'll talk on your behalf and essentially sell the product on your behalf. Now, extra bonus points if it's a common product that you're going to be selling, because they may very well have that product in that video, which means you cut the queue. You don't have to get a sample of that product in your hand because they may already have it. Now, what I like about Arcads, on the bottom left-hand side here as well, again, I'm not going to play this video here, but what you can see there is you can also have these AI avatars or select AI avatars that are displaying various different products. For example, if you're selling this glass, you could have an AI avatar that has a similar glass. If you're selling this wireless phone charger, you could have an AI avatar that's got a similar wireless phone charger in your video. Again, it just helps you get there quicker in terms of creating the video and getting the video out there on, TikTok, Instagram, wherever it is that you're going to be advertising, and seeing what the response is, seeing if people are clicking on your link and buying that product. So thought it might be worth mentioning again for the sake of generating traffic and driving traffic to your store. We're not aiming to go viral, just to get repeatable attention. We've got our product, we have our store set up, we have strategy for how we are going to run that initial traffic. But the other thing that we need to make sure is in place before even getting that first sale, finding the right suppliers. How does Doba help? Let me show you. As we mentioned earlier, we know that Doba is mainly focused on working with suppliers based in the US, but when it comes to using AI, let's talk about what tools within Doba you can actually use. Now, the tool that I want to draw your attention to is called the AI Auto Lister. It makes sure that you've got new